Hey guys, Mr. Hacker here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about Python, how to use Python. And I'm sorry I've been lost. I've not been posting for a while, but I'm sorry I've been busy. If you follow me, you would have known, but I'm busy. So man, today I'm going to talk to you about Python once again. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have to act YouTube, ethically, of course. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, enough with the talking, let's dive into it. Okay, let's open our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio, so I'm gonna create a new page or a Python page, and I'm going to new file. It will be a Python, and let's try to write our first code. So let me first save this. I would say main.python. This is the extension. Save, and after let's write our first code. This code basically in every language they write hello world, meaning that you've started writing the codes that the beginners start from, but we're going to learn Python step by step from zero to hero. Now step by step, let's start by the command called print. The print it output the text that you've typed. So you write print, open brackets, and these quotes in programming are called strings. The quotes, that the text you pass in the string, sorry for that. Okay, these quotes in programming are called strings. Anyways, the text you pass in are called a string. Okay, these are called a string. So let's write hello world. So the print will output this hello world to our terminal. If you run the Python code, should run and we should get the hello world output. So let's write some code down. There is what we call a variable. A variable is like a basket. If you want to store some products inside a basket, in case you want the products from the basket, you just have to get the basket and output the products inside that basket. So in that case, we're going to write let's say age is equal to let's say 23, because I'm 23. So this it's a number. This is what we call a variable. The variable stores a product. This is the product, this is the bucket. So if we want to output this inside our terminal, we have to say this print, then the age. We have to do like this: print then pass in the variable age. If we run our code, we should get hello world and 23 as the age. So so far we've learned about the Python codes like print, the variable, the print. If you want to output the string, you say print, open the bracket and close it, then inside you write two quotes, and inside the quotes you write the text you want to output from the terminal here. Okay, let's comment this out. So by commenting this out, you will press Ctrl and /. Okay, so let's write some code here. There is what we call data types. There is what we call data types. There is what we call booleans and other keywords in Python. So let's try to write some codes using anyways, let's first check out the data types of this. We are going to say print, open bracket, then we type, then open brackets, age. We run our code. You can see it's an integer here down, plus integer. If we change this to let's say 10.1 or anyways 0.2, if we run our code, that's it, it's a float. So we have an int or integer, we have a float. This is for if the numbers have the decimal point in. We have int. Let's delete this. Let's create a calculator, because we can subtract, multiply, do kind of stuffs like those, you know, in mathematics. So let's write this. Let's say a is equals to 5 and b is equal to 10. So if you want to add this, we shall say c is equal to b plus a. Then down we shall say print, inside the bracket we say print c. If you run our code, we should get 15. There it is, 15. So if we want to say multiply, we shall use the asterisk key, that one. If you run our code, boom. Okay, so if you want to divide, you will use the /. If you want to subtract, you will use this. Okay, let's go on the next step. Let's try to say we want to create a game, a simple game or a guessing game. We shall write, let's say input, then a string, what is your lucky number. Okay, so we have to store this into a variable. So we shall say lucky is equal to input this and that. So the input the user will pass in from here will be stored in this variable. So we shall capture this variable from the user's input, and we shall use it for other what in our code. So let's write this. If we get the user input here, we store it from here, and let's say lucky number is equal to 5. Lucky number is equals to 5 is equals to 5. Let's say if lucky is not equal to lucky number, we shall say print if the input from the user is not equal to this value 5, we are going to print this. Okay, we shall print the numbers don't match. Okay, else print the numbers match. So let's pass in lucky. Will store input from the user from this question here. So let's say our lucky number should be 5. If it's different from the user's input, then we should run one of the if statement. Okay, let's run it and we see. Let's say it's 2. The number doesn't match. Okay, that's it, guys. It's a simple program. You can play with it and see. We have learned about the variables. We have learned about the strings and the numbers. We have learned about how to get user inputs. We use this input class, and there is what we call if else statements. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be creating more content, and let me hope it will help you to achieve what you want, because man, IT is the future. We're running out of time. We have to take this more faster than we are doing right now. So guys, I'll catch you guys next time.